How to stream Netflix on Discord without black screen. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can stream your Netflix on Discord without black screen. So let's get started. So when you open your Discord and when you try to, log in and try to play something on Netflix using Discord, you'll be able to notice a black screen. It is due to copyright issues that Netflix don't allow copyrights at all, and you can't use any third-party application in order to view Netflix. So in order to get rid of that, you gotta simply open your Discord interface. You gotta click on general and then you gotta click on this gear icon over here. And once you do so, you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So what you gotta do is you gotta search for the option of voice and video. So once you do that, you gotta click on video over here. So you can simply click on video and then you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and then you'll be able to see something like this in front of you that says video hardware acceleration. So here you can see that this is toggled on, so you're going to simply toggle it off and then you're going to click on OK. And the next thing that you need to do is that simply go back to your Discord, and then what you're going to do is head over to your Netflix. And here you're going to click on these three dots over here, or you're going to click on this over here. But if you're not having this option, so you're going to click on these three dots, scroll all the way to the bottom, and then you're going to click on settings. So here you're going to select this performance option, and here you're going to scroll down and then you can toggle this power one off. And once you do so, you're going to head over and try to run your Netflix on Discord, and you'll be able to notice that the issue has been resolved. So that was how you can stream Netflix on Discord without black screen. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.